When you think about money, what matters most to you? That's a deep question, and it's one I've asked hundreds of people. I ask it because I believe it goes right to the heart of what true financial planning is all about: finding your why. For some, it's about security and clarity. They just want to know they're going to be okay. For others, it's about abundance and generosity, having the freedom to support their family or give back to charity in a meaningful way. A couple that I've worked with, Ed and Rita, once told me, "We've done well, and we're not worried about paying the bills. What matters to us is being able to travel with our grandkids, not just seeing them here and there, but really creating memories with them." That's their why story. And to date, it might be my favorite. And for you, it might be something entirely different. Hi, I'm Jeff Mahoney. For nearly 2 decades, I've had the pleasure of helping people find clarity about what's most important to them financially. Most of my clients are over the age of 50. They're starting to seriously think about life after work, but they don't have a clear picture about how all the pieces of their financial puzzle fit together. So I've developed a 3-phase financial planning process designed to help you define what matters most and give you the clarity and confidence to make it happen. It all starts with a simple conversation. No pressure, no jargon. Just a chance to get to know each other and talk about what really matters to you. From there, we take a deep dive into your goals and your concerns. We also look at your financial life so we can understand where you are and where you want to go. And we'll examine if there's anything that's holding you back. Phase 2 is where things really come into focus. We gather your information and get you organized. We begin by developing a strategy for each part of your financial picture, including your income, your investments, your tax strategy, your insurance, and your estate plan. Because retirement planning isn't just about maximizing any one of those things, it's about making sure they all work together. Then we stress test that plan, so you don't have to obsess over the market or second guess every decision. That gives you the freedom to focus on your why. Phase 3 is all about implementation. A plan only matters if it actually gets done. We help you prioritize your next steps, and we coordinate with your CPA and/or attorney when needed to make sure that all the pieces of your financial puzzle fit together. Then we stay in your corner, meeting regularly and adjusting as life unfolds. Because retirement isn't a one-time event, it's a journey. So if you're starting to think seriously about what the next phase of life is going to look like and want a trusted thought partner to help you plan throughout, we should talk. Schedule a free call today. Let's build a plan centered around your why that gives you clarity, confidence, and peace of mind for what's next.